Hype. Let's talk real AI income. So you've heard all the buzz about making a fortune with AI, but it all sounds complicated, right? Let's cut through the noise. Today I'm breaking down 7 real AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start, complete with actionable tips to get you earning your first dollar. Forget overnight riches. This is about building a real, sustainable income stream. First up, AI YouTube automation. This isn't about faceless cash cow channels that feel robotic. Take my friend Alex, a huge history buff. He was worried about being on camera and the high cost of production. So he started a channel focused on obscure historical events. He used an AI voiceover to narrate his scripts and paired it with free stock footage from archives. His channel now gets thousands of views a day. B-roll footage shows a person typing a script, an AI voice generator interface with a waveform, and then clips of black and white historical events. On-screen text. Start with a niche you love. Use AI voiceovers on free stock footage to keep initial costs zero. The key here is passion. Choose a topic you genuinely care about, and your audience will feel it even through an AI voice. Next, we have AI blogging. Everyone thinks blogging is dead, but they're wrong, it's just evolved. Look at Sarah, who loves gardening but didn't know how to reach a bigger audience. She used free SEO tools to discover that people were searching for AI for urban gardening. Using that insight, she had an AI draft an article outline and fill in the technical details. Then she sprinkled in her own personal stories and photos of her balcony garden. Her blog is now a go-to resource for city-dwelling plant lovers. B-roll shows a woman taking photos of her potted plants with her phone, then cutting to a shot of her editing a blog post on a laptop, dragging and dropping her own photos into the text. On-screen text. Use free SEO tools to find specific topics like AI for urban gardening. Use AI to draft the article, then add your personal experience. The third hustle is selling AI digital products, which is one of the fastest ways to get started. Designer Ben noticed that many people struggle to write effective prompts for AI image generators. He spent a week creating and testing prompts specifically for creating fantasy art. He then bundled his top 20 prompts into a PDF guide, complete with example images, and listed it on Etsy for just a few dollars. The positive reviews started rolling in, and now it's a source of passive income. B-roll shows a screen recording of an Etsy store page. The cursor highlights a product named Fantasy Art Prompt Pack, and then scrolls down to a 5-star review. On-screen text. Bundle 10-20 tested high-quality prompts for a specific niche, e.g. fantasy art prompts, and sell it on Etsy to build reviews. Fourth, AI-powered freelancing. This is perfect if you want to offer a service. Maria, a recent graduate, wanted to break into freelance writing but had no portfolio. She used AI to help her research and write 3 high-quality articles on different topics. Then, instead of offering generic writing services on Upwork, she created a very specific gig: AI-powered product description writing for e-commerce. Her specialized focus made her stand out, and she landed her first client within a week. B-roll shows a polished and professional-looking Upwork profile, highlighting the specific service offering. On-screen text. Create a portfolio of 3 AI-assisted articles. Offer a very specific service like AI-powered product description writing on Upwork. Number 5 is AI print on demand. You don't need to be a traditional artist to succeed here. Chloe loved quirky cat designs but couldn't draw. She used an AI image generator to create a whole series of funny, stylish cat illustrations, all in a consistent, recognizable style. She started simple, uploading her designs to a single print-on-demand platform and selling them only on t-shirts. Her cosmic cat collection took off. B-roll shows an AI image generator creating a unique design of a cat in a spacesuit. The next shot shows that exact design on a t-shirt displayed in an online store. On-screen text. Use an AI image generator to create designs in one consistent style. Start by selling only on t-shirts through one platform. Sixth, we have AI social media management. Small businesses are desperate for help with social media, but often can't afford a big agency. David saw this gap in his local community. He mastered one popular AI-powered scheduling tool. He then approached a local cafe and offered to manage their Instagram account for a low monthly fee, promising to increase their engagement. After 1 month, he presented a report showing a 50% increase in post interactions, securing a long-term contract. B-roll shows David on a tablet, showing an analytics graph with an upward trend to a happy cafe owner behind the counter. On-screen text. Master One AI scheduling tool. Offer to manage just Instagram for one local business to build a case study. Finally, number 7, AI automation services. This sounds technical, but it doesn't have to be. Emily learned how to use a simple no-code tool called Zapier. She noticed her local bakery was manually sorting online orders and customer inquiries from their email inbox, which took hours. She offered to build them a simple automation that automatically sorted emails into labeled folders. It was a small change that saved the owner an hour every day. B-roll shows a simple animated flowchart. On one side, it says before with a chaotic jumble of emails. An arrow points to after, which shows the same emails neatly sorted into folders labeled orders, inquiries, and feedback. On-screen text. Learn a tool like Zapier. Offer to automate one simple task for a small business like sorting customer emails. Host reappears on screen, smiling. As you can see, the secret isn't some complex AI wizardry. It's about starting small, focusing on a specific niche, and staying consistent. Pick one of these ideas, take that first step today, and you'll be on your way to building a real AI-powered income. The screen transitions to a clean branded end card. On-screen text. Subscribe to Future Income AI for more.